When food safety is non-negotiable, your equipment and processes need to meet the highest standards. That's why hundreds of food production sites across the UK and Ireland trust Klipspringer as their shadowboard supplier. Our shadowboards are made from strong, hygienically designed material that doesn't wear down or trap dirt, helping to prevent bug traps. Our boards are finished with a UV-cured coating, making them ultra-durable and resistant to wear, ideal for demanding food production environments. It's a world-leading solution that completely removes the need for laminates, eliminating another potential foreign body risk. With integrated QR codes printed directly onto the shadow boards, replacing lost or damaged items is faster and easier than ever. You don't need to transform your entire site in one go. We recommend starting with one area at a time, especially where hygiene issues or tool control are already known problems. Shadowboards are a simple, effective solution, and with Klipspringer, the process is easy from concept to delivery. When it comes to customization, we don't leave you waiting. With our in-house design and production team, your bespoke shadowboard is typically ready to dispatch within just 5 working days. Every order is backed by our dedicated support team, ensuring your boards arrive on site correctly, on time, and ready to make an impact. If you're looking to increase efficiency and enhance the standards on your site, get in touch today to discuss your requirements.